it's that time of year. KSM's Great Drum Off competition. It's coming right up.
Yep, it's coming up pretty soon. It's November 13th this year. We do it every year. I believe this time is like our 10th annual Drum Off, so we've been doing this a long time. But anybody from a beginner to advanced players that we have over play drum kits, we can give away lots of prizes, so it's going to be a really fun event coming up here.
So prizes, and it's a competition for, you said, beginners to advanced.
Yep, we're going to have different classes, so if you're a beginner, you can compete with beginners. You're competing with the people that, you know, you actually could win some prizes with. So, and then the same thing for the advanced class. We're giving away drum sets and cymbals, and we're snare drums, drum heads. I could probably keep going for a little while, so lots and lots of prizes.
Lots of prizes, an event you don't want to miss out on if you're an avid drummer, and even if you're not going to participate in the competition, it's fun to come and enjoy the music.
Exactly, it's free to come, so anybody can come and check it out, and we'll have prizes for people just to show up, and we're also going to have a big sale that day too. It's our biggest drum sale of the day, so that's going to be a big thing as well.
Okay, so the November 13th drum sale in the store, KSM Music, and then the competition that evening behind the store at the club right there.
Yeah, the competition's going to start at noon, and it goes to about 4 or 5 o'clock, and there's going to be lots of little things in between. We're even going to have hand drum things in between, so it's more than just drum sets. The competition is for drummers that play drum set, but there's going to be lots of activities that we're going to have through the day.
Well, that is such a great event you've done now for 10 years, and the public loves it. You've got groupies that come all the time and just have a great party.
Yep, we've got our patrons that always come every year and play with us. We do make sure that the winners don't get a win the next year, so we make it pretty fair for anybody that wants to sign up and get going this year's Drum Off. So.
Well, I say bring your video camera and get it up on YouTube after and be discovered.
Yep, we're excited for it, so should we get a win again this year.
Very good. Okay, now let's talk about drum sets, because KSM is the music store in town. That's what you do, is music.
That's all we do. We've got, anything music, we have it, drums, band, orchestra, guitars, we have it all. So, right now we're focusing on drums with this competition coming up. Obviously we're looking at a few right here.
Well, I was shocked at the price of this set back down here. I mean, it's a $2,000 set, and you sold it for $750.
Yeah, we like to make sure we have some really good deals out there, and when we're able to get deals, we want to make sure people can get them as well.
Absolutely. Well, this is what you think of, or I think of, when I think of drums, but you have things like is this called a Congo? Let's walk on down this way and look at that. This is just a fun thing. And then I know with the marching bands and whatnot, they're carrying big Japanese type drums anymore, and it's so fascinating to see the options in drumming.
Yeah, there's quite a few actually, and it's over the years we've been carrying more and more drums. So we have things like djembes and congas and bongos, and if you don't know what those are, they're just variation of hand drums from different ethnicities, and more people have been trying new things out. So it's been cool.
So much fun, and I know that kids have. Well, I think that most kids have that want to learn how to play drums, and you do the classes, and you do the classes on this regular drum set. And to start out, as a parent, I don't need to invest in a drum set right off the bat. You've got this kind of thing that they start to learn on. Tell me about that.
This is a practice pad, and this just kind of makes it so you can get your drum rhythms down before you move to a kit. So before you invest $300-400 into a drum set, you just get one of these and make sure your kid's interested, get some rhythms down. They're not very loud. That's a nice thing for you. And then we see kind of the interest is there, and then you can step to a drum set or hand drums or whatever the person's interested in.
Well, if your child is interested or your teenager, it's so much smarter to start here at KSM than going to the big box store and buying that little cheap set that's not a legitimate. Give me the idea of what it's like to play drums, right?
Yeah, they're pretty much toys. They're not going to sound good. Parts don't move right. Things don't work well, and it's pretty discouraging with any instrument that way. That is just a toy.
Exactly. So you'll spend $100 or $200, and that's going to end up at the secondhand store.
Exactly. And if something happens, you're not interested. At least you bought a quality set we can resell for you. Absolutely. We do that all. We resell for people, trade in, get a better set, later on. So we are here to help you if something doesn't work workout too.
Well, you do that because I've actually bought some of the secondhand things through you that you've led me to for my own son. So I love this store because you're out there just to help us. Well, okay, let's talk about the drums again. In fact, let me hear you.
Okay.
Drum off's coming up. Now, you said you're not like the expert at drums, but will you compete?
Well, I'll compete with you, I guess, right now. That won't be too bad. Yeah, I'm a guitar player, but we all try to, get a lot of instruments in our repertoire a little bit. So I try to pick up a little drums.
Okay, well,
Maybe in this segment I'll throw you a little drum beat.
there you go. And I will listen, and then I'll also talk about your lessons as you're doing this. Let's listen to him. And oh, wow. You know what? I ought to add right now on the end, because you have things to go with the noise. So as a parent, that sounds so great. I mean, I love that. But as a parent, they might go, maybe not.
That seems a little loud, yeah. They got a lot of options. So we can do like mutes on the drums. We have electric drum sets, things like that.
That plug in and then you don't hear them?
Yes, headphones and stuff like that, so they can sit there at 2 in the morning in their room. Or if you got an apartment, you can actually play drums and just like anybody else, but you got headphones on.
I love that. Well, I let my son do it downstairs, and we did not even bother. It didn't bother us at all. So KSM is the music store. Drum Off coming up November 13th.
November 13th, and sign-ups are starting now. Anybody can sign up, and everybody should come.
Let's have a party. Thanks so much, Chris.